Hey everyone, if you've just installed ShareX and aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. ShareX is much more than a screenshot tool. It can capture images, record your screen, upload files, and automate repetitive tasks. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the basics so you can start using ShareX with confidence. So let's get started. First, open ShareX from the Windows Start menu or your desktop shortcut. When it launches, you'll see the main dashboard with options for capturing screenshots, recording your screen, managing uploads, and accessing settings. Now click the Capture menu. You'll see several options, including full screen, active window, region, scrolling capture, and more. Yeah, the region option is one of the most popular because it lets you capture only the part of the screen you need. After taking a screenshot, ShareX automatically saves it to your default screenshots folder. A notification usually appears confirming the capture, and you can also view recent screenshots directly from the ShareX interface. If you want to create a screen recording, open the Capture menu again and choose Screen Recording. Depending on your setup, ShareX may prompt you to download additional recording components the first time you use this feature. I mean, that only needs to happen once. Next, explore the application settings, hotkey settings, and task settings. Here you can change keyboard shortcuts, choose where files are saved, customize image quality, and adjust upload preferences. The default settings work well for most users, but it's nice to know these options are available. Once you've captured a screenshot or recording, you can copy it, save it, or upload it using one of ShareX's supported upload services if you've configured them. If you haven't set up uploads yet, your files will simply remain saved on your computer for easy access. And that's how to use ShareX. Once you're familiar with the basics, you can explore its advanced features to make screenshots and screen recordings even faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.